Okay, so how to do vintage waves with where it kind of has like that bridge or crease in it. What you'll do is pick whatever size curling iron you want. This is probably a 1/2 inch. And what you will do is you're gonna take it and it's gonna be flat and then let it twist and then flat, let it twist and then leave it flat. So pretty much the only thing that's moving is your wrist, not necessarily the hair. The hair is going to be staying in the same position the whole time. And now we wait. And then when you go to pin it, if you didn't catch it when it fell out of the curling iron, you just roll it the same around your fingers. And then depending on how high you want that little lip in the fret, well, if you want them to be tighter and closer together or like longer lasting, then you'll want to use a 1/2 inch or smaller curling iron. So you go flat and then it just, with the flick of the wrist, I guess you'd say. And yes, this is not a wand, in case you were wondering. It's not. It's an old Hot Tools Marcel curling iron that I've had for probably like 15, 20 years. And it just, you know, over the years slowly fell apart. So I decided, why not just take it apart and use it as a wand? It's 2-in-1. I mean, no need to buy more curling irons, right? And so you just are gonna do that all the way around. So depending on how, where you want your ridge to start will depend on like the thickness of the hair right there. So if you want it to kind of like start further down, you'll want to have a longer piece. But the width of your hair, the width of the piece has to be the same as the curling iron or pretty close. Otherwise you'll just get uneven heat, you know. See, so you lay it flat and see I'm not releasing the hair from my hand at any point. So pretty much it will just naturally do it if you don't let go of the hair. To curl it out or comb it out with my fingers first for that reason right there. I didn't use any product. I'm like anti-product unless it's necessary, which it might be necessary up there, and it should just form everything together.